Do you know what a thesis statement is? I'll explain. Hello, fellow writers. Welcome back to Shelly's Creative Life. For 25 years, I worked with struggling writers on their essay writing skills. Now I'm here to help you. Today, we're going to focus on one of the most important parts of an essay, the thesis statement. If writing isn't your thing, don't worry. I'm here to make it easy and fun. Let's get started. So, what is a thesis statement? It's a single sentence that summarizes the main point of your essay. It tells your reader what your essay is about and what you're going to argue or explain. Here are some tips to help you write a strong thesis statement. Tip number 1, be clear and specific. Your thesis statement should clearly state your main idea and be specific enough to guide your writing. Avoid vague or broad statements. Tip number 2, take a stance. Your thesis should express your opinion or position on the topic. It should be something that you can argue or explain in your essay. Tip number 3, keep it concise. A good thesis statement is usually 1 or 2 sentences long. It should be brief but powerful, giving your reader a clear idea of what your essay is about. And here you have it, 3 tips for writing a strong thesis statement. Remember, your thesis statement is the foundation of your essay, so take your time to craft it well. Also, I've written a book called Writing Made Easy that is a roadmap to writing essays. You can find it on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.